Hi, Darius Nocula Grant of DIY Power Couple.
And if you're new to this channel, welcome. Here you'll find DIY inspirations for your next home improvement project.
In this video, we're going to show you how we unboxed a self-propelled rear wheel lawnmower. We're also going to show you the type of gasoline we used, including ethanol-free fuel, and we'll share with you some pros and cons about self-propelled lawnmowers.
And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and subscribe to our channel. And remember, you can DIY too.
This is great because this is the first time that we have purchased and will unbox a self-propelled lawnmower. This is a Troy-Bilt TB320 gas lawnmower with a Briggs and Stratton engine. We're just going to check out all the contents to see what really comes with the new lawnmower. We like the fact that it has a grass collection bag, and we'll take a look at that a little bit later. We purchased this self-propelled mower to help me and our son finish the front and back grass much faster. This self-propelled mower comes with a bottle of 10W30 lawnmower oil and a user manual. The propulsion gearbox is what causes self-propelled lawnmowers to weigh more than push lawnmowers. The motor door helps to recycle lawn clippings back into the lawn. And we learned that the muffler reduces exhaust noise and prevents exhaust sparks from igniting dry grass. And the front deck cover protects the mower deck from damage. The front height adjustment lever controls both front wheels, and the rear height adjustment lever controls both rear wheels. This is the frame for the grass collection bag that we'll put on later on. The plastic wing nuts make it very easy to change the position of the push bar, and as you can see, they really do have wings. In order to tighten the wing nuts, you just got to get that bolt back into the hole. This lawnmower has a small engine with an air filter that prevents dirt and debris from entering the engine through the carburetor. The fuel cap, also known as the gas cap, keeps the fuel contained in the tank when mowing uphill. The rear door, which is the rear discharge chute, is designed to be open when using the lawn clippings bag. When you let go of the red lever, the lawnmower turns off. The push bar is actually inside and under the lawnmower, so you have to pull it up so that the blades don't hit the bar. Being able to raise this bar helps me not to have to bend over when I'm mowing the lawn. The side discharge chute is held in place by the motor door. The grass collection bag has plastic snaps that easily connect to the frame. We opened the spring-loaded rear discharge chute and let it rest on the collection bag. We were excited to see the top of the engine and the starter cord underneath the plastic. Remember, taking care of your lawnmower is also a part of home improvement. We poured all of the 10W30 lawnmower oil in the engine and then checked the dipstick to make sure that the levels were correct. By the way, it may be a good idea to purchase a funnel so you don't drop oil on top of your lawnmower. Like I said, we checked the dipstick to make sure that no oil was above the top level. We wanted to make sure that the lawnmower came with a spark plug and that it was securely in place. We used the 87 octane gas the very first time we used this lawnmower. 87 octane is also known as E10 gas, which absorbs up to 50% more water than standard gasoline. It's recommended that you replace this type of gas in your fuel tank every 2 to 3 weeks to avoid any kind of engine issues. We know that some gas stations use E15, which is 15% ethanol, which is definitely not recommended for small engines. It's important to know the grade of gasoline you're putting in your lawnmower to preserve the life of your engine. The average life of a lawnmower is 8 to 10 years. After some research, we learned that ethanol-free or non-ethanol fuel will be a better option for our lawnmower. After using up all the regular gas, we decided to switch to ethanol-free gas in order to see if there was a difference in the performance and maintenance level of our lawnmower. Take a look at some of the benefits of ethanol-free gas. By the way, the green thing on the side of the lawnmower is the deck wash port that connects to your water hose to clean under the lawnmower. Take a look at these pros and cons for self-propelled lawnmowers. Overall, we're very pleased with using our self-propelled lawnmower and with using ethanol-free fuel.
And if you like DIY home improvement videos like these, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.